Ferris Wheel Press ink watercolor for my Vampire Gothic journal. I used many different colors. You can kind of stop the video and come back. I like to use an ink dropper, pull out whatever inks I'd like to use. Then I really wet the paper. This is watercolor paper on chipboard with washi tape holding it down. In between each color, I dry the paper. But then when I go to add another color, I really make sure that the watercolor paper is really saturated with water. It just helps the blending. At the bottom of the trees, you can see I am just kind of letting it be a blur. It's a nice background color for the next set of trees. So they all look as though they're in the background. It's just a nice illusion. Now, the reason I'm doing this for the Vampire Gothic journal is it goes with a picture that's from, and you'll see at the end. And then what I love about these Ferris Wheel Press inks is I can have very few colors and mix colors together to create whatever it is that I'd like. So if you like these Ferris Wheel Press inks, there is a link in my bio. And if you use OTL at checkout, you'll get 10% off your purchase. So go ahead and click outside the lines, go under my profile, and you'll see a link tree, and just go down to Ferris Wheel Press inks. Now, it's very important when you're doing a watercolor like this to have each section be dry that you're doing before you add the next color. Otherwise, they just all blend together and make their own different color. So if you're trying to do that like I was with the trees, it works out great. But when you're trying to do something like this, like flowers, and have them be different shades of purple and white, you do have to have it dry. So again, you'll see the picture here in a second that it goes with, and this will go inside that journal. And check out Ferris Wheel Press inks in my link tree. Stay tuned for the video putting it into the journal.